evening everyone, and this is the second video about SDU Better Career Program. In the last video, which you probably didn't see because link didn't open, it didn't work out. Anyways, in the last video I said work that I have to do, the things that I have to face with during this semester, during the period of this semester at the Kaspi KZ. In this video, I'm gonna tell you the experience that I had gained over the last 2 weeks, the things that I have done over the last 2 weeks. And to start off, I want to present a screenshot which is briefly describes the things that I did during these 2 weeks. Well, during the past 2 weeks, it was quite about Java fundamentals, the focus on the repetition of the Java and the Spring Boot framework with the MVC concepts, as well as writing the first lines of code and test it with the JUnit tests. And now let me introduce you to MVC concepts. MVC architecture, which is a basic stuff in backend programming. The model stands for extracting the data from a database. The view is a simple user interface showing texts, buttons, etc. And the controller is the orchestrator that commands between those two things, showing the data, extracting data, showing to use for the screens, taking requests and response, working back and forth. During the past 2 weeks, I have built Split Ledger. It's a RESTful API built with Spring Boot that helps manage shared expenses and financial records. Users can create, update, delete ledgers that represent shared payments or balances between people. Also, each ledger can include multiple participants, and the system automatically tracks how much each person owes or is owed to somebody else. All data is exchanged in JSON format, and the API follows clean REST principles. There is also a so-called Swagger documentation, so you can test all the endpoints directly in your browser. Overall, Split Ledger makes it simple to handle shared costs and manage transactions in a structured way. Well, this is how my last 2 weeks went. It was quite interesting in terms of writing the code, establishing the project, managing the connections with database, writing the endpoints, and etc. And thanks for watching. And if you're interested in my first video, I'll attach the link for the first video in the description below. And I'll see you next time.